seagulls are mean. Oh, there's a crow right up close. Oh, he's scared. He keeps jumping back after he eats it. And that one's just eating it. I'll go up close. Okay, they're leaving. This. Let's see what he does. Okay, so all the crows just left and he has all the food to himself. Oh no, crow right there. They say crows are mean, but every crow is staying away from that beautiful seagull. He just snatched it. Did you guys see that? He's snatching it. Oh, there's a crow over here. He's coming close. And then that seagull over there snatched that. Oh my gosh, he's like walking away from me by picking it up. Wow. And there's two seagulls over here that I'm gonna come close to. Okay, what do you do? Okay, they just walked away from the food. And then this guy's still stealing it. Come close to me. Okay, oh, he walks away. Okay, he's walking away from that food. And then these guys came back to their food. They're gonna walk away from it. Watch it. Hop and then fly away. And that guy's just gonna stay. And then the seagull's still there. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you think it was funny. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can be the first one to know when I post brand new videos. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!